Question 14. How many planes of symmetry has a cuboid? Now, planes of symmetry are to 3D shapes what lines of symmetry are to 2D shapes. So it's just a question of how many ways can you slice the 3D cuboid in half. If you can slice it in half and the two halves are reflections of each other, then that is basically a plane of symmetry. So you can slice this cuboid in half sideways like that. So you've got a top and bottom half. You could slice it down the middle like that. So you've got a left half and a right half. And you could slice it across the middle like that. So you've got a front half and a back half. And they are the only three ways of doing it. So you're splitting it into top half and bottom half. You're splitting it into left half and right half. And you're splitting it into front half and back half. You can't slice it diagonally because the two halves are not reflections of each other. And that is in the same way as with a two-dimensional rectangle, a diagonal line is not a line of symmetry. Because if you actually folded that over, this corner here wouldn't fit exactly over this corner. You can always try that to experiment with it with a A4 sheet of paper. So yeah, you can't have diagonal lines in a lines of symmetry in a 2D rectangle, and for the same reason, you can't have diagonal planes of symmetry in a 3D cuboid. So the answer is to this question, how many planes of symmetry has a cuboid? The answer is 3.